Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will be starting the reproduction module on different topics. So the first topic is going to be the perineum and its boundaries and its division. So perineum is a portion of the lower trunk between the upper medial side of both the thighs. So that is going to be the perineal region, and it is basically important for its content of the external genitalia. So external genitalia in case of both males and females are the contents of the perineum, and will be looking at its boundaries, the superficial boundaries and the deep boundaries of perineum and how it is formed. तो basically जो हमारा pelvic region होता है, the true pelvis is a lesser pelvis. Lesser pelvis is a true pelvis, and just below the true pelvis we have the pelvic diaphragm, and just below the pelvic diaphragm we have this region, the perineum between the two thighs, and that is basically the region where the external genitalia is present in both males and females. And in case of males, we have two external openings at this level, at the level of perineum, the opening of the GIT, that is the anus, and the opening of the combined opening for the genital and the urinary systems. Then we have, in case of females, the three separate openings at the level of perineum, that is the urethral orifice, the vaginal orifice and the anal orifice. So in this way, the perineum is basically the part of the lower trunk that is present between the two thighs, and it's basically containing the external genitalia in case of both males and females. इसकी तो हो गई बात. अब इसकी divisions हम बाद में देखते हैं, इसकी boundaries देख लेते हैं. तो we have some superficial boundaries of the perineum and some deep boundaries of the perineum. Superficial वो होंगे जो by the skin बन रही होंगी, and deep will be formed by the certain bones and ligaments वगैरह. So in case of males, anteriorly its boundary is going to be formed by the scrotum, and in case of females it's being formed by the mons pubis. Basically a pad of fat, या एक fat is a structure होता है present in front of the pubic symphysis. In case of females, that is called as the mons pubis. So in front or anteriorly, the boundary, the superficial boundary of the perineum is being formed by the scrotum in males and mons pubis in females. Posteriorly, it's being formed in both sexes by the buttocks. On each side is formed by the medial side of the thighs, right? So upper part of the medial side of thigh is going formed, it's present on both the sides, right? So ये होगी इसकी superficial boundaries. The deep boundaries are going to be formed by certain bones and ligaments, and really it's being formed by the pubic symphysis or the pubic arch and the inferior pubic ligaments, को हम arcuate ligament भी कहते हैं. So anteriorly the perineum is bounded by the pubic arch and the inferior pubic ligament, or the arcuate ligament. Posteriorly is being formed by the tip of coccyx, and on each side is being formed by the conjoint ischiopubic ramus. As you can see, this is a conjoint ischiopubic ramus से बना होता है, and there will be the ischial tuberosity and the sacrotuberous ligament. So these are the deep boundaries of the perineum, anteriorly by the the pubic arch and the inferior pubic ligament or the arcuate ligament, and posteriorly by the tip of coccyx, on each side by the conjoint ramus of pubis, या इसको conjoint ischiopubic ramus भी कहते हैं, and the ischial tuberosity and the sacrotuberous ligament. तो ये होगी उसकी deep boundaries. हम superficial भी देख चुके हैं और deep भी देख चुके हैं. अब बात करते हैं about the division of this perineal region. That is, it has been divided by an imaginary line, the transverse line extending between the two ischial tuberosities, and that divides it into anterior urogenital triangle and a posterior anal triangle. So urogenital triangle basically urinary system और genitalia की openings वगैरह नजर आएंगी, और anal वाले में हमें GIT की ओपनिंग नजर आएंगी. एंड इनर ट्रायंगल अगर देखा जाए तो इसकी मिड लाइन के लेटरली दोनों साइड्स पे वी हैव द इशियोएनल फोसा. सो इशियोएनल फोसा इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंटेंट ऑफ द इनर ट्रायंगल और द पोस्टीरियर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द पेरिनियम. सो उसको हमने अलग से स्टडी करना है, but not now. So this is the urogenital triangle separated from the inner triangle by a transverse line extending between the two ischial tuberosities. So that was what we needed to know about the perineum, its boundaries, superficial boundaries, the deep boundaries की division हुई into two triangles, and बस अभी तो इतना ही है. So next वीडियो हम देखते हैं कि बाकी के कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं इससे रिलेटेड. अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर.